I'm Jeremy Lato, and I'm a friend of the Sawtooth Avalanche Center. I choose to donate at the beginning of every season because I find so much value in utilizing the daily forecasts and advisories. Every morning I check the Sawtooth Avalanche Center website and make a plan accordingly for terrain and weather and avalanche hazard for the day to safely travel to the backcountry with my riding partners. I find it useful to submit observations from what I'm seeing out there because of the ability and access of terrain that we have on the snowmobiles. And so to be able to share that information with professionals at the Sawtooth Avalanche Center is, I think, very important and something I strive to do pretty much every time I am out traveling in the backcountry.